To adjust the date and time settings for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first you will need to open a settings on your device. Next step is to move all the way down and select System. Here go to the date and time selection, and first thing that you can do is activate or deactivate set time automatically. I would just recommend to leave it on, otherwise you may encounter some network issues, some websites won't open, and so also some apps won't open when this option is off. So you can disable it and then adjust everything manually, but I would recommend to set it on. Next is time zone. You can also set it automatically or manually right here. And you can also activate use location to better determine which time zone applies to you. Then there's the time format. You can use local default, which will apply to your region, the specific hours format, or you can do it manually when it's off and set it to 24 hours clock or 12 hours clock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.